When I first visited Illume, the rooftop venue at the JW Marriott Bonnet Creek, I was taken in by the spectacular view and then by the excellent food. But Illume also has a stellar cocktail program. Some are pretty elaborate, like Magritte's Pipe, a sort of Japanese old-fashioned made with Hibiki Harmony whiskey, Amaro Montenegro, and tobacco bitters. It's served in a pipe-shaped pitcher and poured into a smoked glass. And the Firebird, with haiku vodka, sake, and freshly juiced cantaloupe, served in a bird beaker with a feathers chaser. But those aren't cocktails you can easily prepare at home. So I asked the Illume bartender Roberto Cruz for a cocktail recipe we can enjoy on the restaurant's terrace or prepare ourselves at home.
So this next cocktail is one that's very, very popular, very, very refreshing, something that you could definitely enjoy our giant patio with and drink in the sun. It's a take on a tropical margarita. It has Casamigos Blanco tequila, and then we actually, instead of regular lime juice, we actually mix in a chinola in there, which is going to be a passion fruit, so it's going to give us some tropical flavors in there as well. And then we use fresh agave for that as well, and then finish it with lime juice. So first, you're gonna start with 2 ounces of Casamigos. And then 1 ounce of your passion fruit liqueur, the chinola. Half an ounce of agave. And then finished off with an ounce of lime juice. So very simple, very refreshing, very easy to make. And then we finish it with one of our edible orchids.